CBSE various post recruitment 2020. So guys, CBSE has issued recruitment notification for the post of joint secretary, internal auditor and financial auditor, financial advisor, assistant secretary, legal, senior accounts officer, junior accounts officer. So let's see the important dates. Application starts from 31st of July 2020. Last date for apply online is 21st of August 2020. Admit card date will be available soon and exam date will also be available soon. Age limit you are watching as on 16th of December 2019. Minimum 18 years, maximum assistant secretary 40 years, analyst senior assistant accountant 30 years, junior assistant junior accountant 27 years. Age relaxation for SC ST 5 years, OBC 3 years. Application fee is nil. Job location all over India. Total number of posts are 20. Vacancy details for CBSE various post recruitment online form 2019. Post name I told you before. So let's start post wise vacancy details for joint secretary 2, internal auditor financial advisor 1 post, assistant secretary 1 post, senior accounts officer 2 post, senior accounts officer accounts officer 2 post, junior accounts officer 12 post. Pay scale as per role. So let's see educational qualification for joint secretary: bachelor degree from a recognized university, experience officer of central government, state government, statutory bodies or autonomous organizations holding an analogous post, or with at least 5 years service in the PB3 scale of pay of rupees 15,600 to 39,100 with GP of rupees 7,600 or equivalent, or with at least 10 years service in PB3 scale of pay rupees 15,600 to 13,100 with GP of rupees 6,600. For internal auditor and financial advisor, bachelor degree of a recognized university institution with economics, commerce, accounts as one of the subject or having passed SAS and JAO, or postgraduate degree in commerce, finance, accounts from a recognized university, or MBA, finance, CA, ICWI, and experience in the field of accounts, compilation, budget, internal audit, commercial accounting. It is in a central state government autonomous body. For assistant secretary legal, law degree from recognized university law school, officer holding analogous post, or with 3 years service in the pay scale of rupees 15,600 to 39,100 in PB3 JP 5403, having at least 3 years experience of handling legal matters in the offices of central government, district government, autonomous organizations. For senior accounts officer, bachelor degree of a recognized university institution with economics, commerce, accounts as one of the subject or having passed such or equivalent examination, or postgraduate degree in commerce, finance, accounts from a recognized university, or MBA, finance at least CA entered, and experience in the field of accounts, compilation, budget, internal audit, commercial accounting, etc. Accounts officer, bachelor degree of a recognized university institution with economics, commerce, accounts as one of the subject, or having passed such as or equivalent examination, or postgraduate degree in commerce, finance, accounts from a recognized university, or MBA, finance at least CA inter, and experience in the field of accounts, compilation, budget, internal audit, commercial accounting, etc. So for junior accounts officer, bachelor degree of a recognized university institution with commerce, accounts as one of the subject, or passing such or equivalent exam, experience of account or and audit in an established organization. For more details, download advertisement. How to apply for CBSE various post recruitment online form 2020. Candidates can apply through link provided below, or they can also apply through official website of the UBSC for 21st of August 2020. Requisites of online application: photograph, signature as per requirement, document, age proof. In documents, age proof document, experience certificate, pay slip, appointment letter, previous service, reliving letter, resume, matriculation certificate, mark sheet, degree, diploma certificate, caste certificate, PWD certificate. Mode of selection for CBSE various post recruitment online form 2020. Selection will be based on CBT interview. document verification. So guys, you can apply directly from this on this page and download notification. Just visit the article link in the description box and apply online. So that's it. Okay, bye bye.